Yes. Dito ako sa school ng mga kids. Naantay ko matapos si Aiden. It is now 1:05 in the afternoon. Labas na si Aiden. Si Zandre, mamaya-maya pa yun. Since nauuna nga lumabas si Aiden, I have to be back again later to pick up Zandre. Today is super init. Pumalo yata ng 41 degrees today. Phone ko, it says 39 degrees, but sa car, it says 41 degrees. Ito lang yung ginagawa ko kapag may pasok sila. I stay in the car for 30 or 40 minutes. I know, matagal kasi usually kapag late ako, hindi ako nakakahanap ng parking spot dito kasi as in punuan talaga. Wala ka mapapagpa-parkingan. So okay lang na maghintay ako dito at least. Medyo malapit ako sa gate because usually ayaw ni Aiden na nagpa-park ako ng malayo kasi nga mainit, naiinitan siya. Ganda ko nung dala neto. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. This one. Ito yung panlaban ko kapag super init. Ang ginagawa ko lang is, ayan lang, spray lang. This helps a lot. Make sure na bago kayo lumabas, nakalagay ito sa fridge for like 2 hours. And super helpful neto. Lalo na sa mga kids, kapag meron kayong kasamang kids. For example, si Aiden, kapag naiinitan niya ng ganyan, let's say, pipick upin ko, konting lakad lang yung lalakarin niya and super init. As in, super pala ng face nila. So, ang ginagawa ko, spray. Spray lang yung sa face, like this. And, cool down sila. Malapit nang matapos yun, si Aiden. Balik ulit later for Zandre. Super excited nun. Maaga siyang gumising today. Nauna pa siyang gumising sa akin actually kasi super excited dahil meron silang excursion today. Pumunta sila ng Kidzania and ang tagal lang niyang hinihintay yun. So I cannot wait to hear all about it kapag pinick up ko na siya. Kung ano yung mga kwento niya, kung ano yung mga nangyari. But before pick up, let me just fix myself. Kailangan presentable rin tayo. My hair is a mess. Say hi!
Hi!
Let's put the spray.
You were holding the marks. Camera.
You want more spray? Do you want more? Your killy killy! Tit tit tit!
My killy killy.
Your killy killy! Tit tit tit!
My leg.
Oh my god, what happened to your leg? It's black.
My leg.
So let's go.
Mama, what's this for? What this does?
Gives the car smell of coffee.
Oh.
So if you open it, you can smell a coffee. That's what it's for.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this.
So can you tell mommy what Miss Laura said?
I need to tell mommy to take a picture of me at Monday. But the wear is a surprise. And I'm gonna wear something. That is also a surprise for you. And I need to fix my hair very good. But you need to do it.
Okay.
Forget about the surprise, okay?
You have a surprise for mommy? Okay. What is it? You finished your food. Well, you didn't finish all your pancakes though. It's okay. I still love you. Go bring it in the kitchen.
Goody, goody, goody.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
School pants, and he's gonna be like that the whole.
Kain. I love you. I will kiss you later. Ina-upload ko na. First vlog after 5 years. I don't know if I'm doing it right kasi nakalimutan ko na siyang gawin. Anong oras na pala? Need to pick up Zandre also. I have 7 minutes. Sana matapos na to before ako umalis. Mommy's silly, right? Naloka ako kasi akala ko 3:15 yung labas ni Zandre. Eh, anong oras na? Like, 3:15 na nandito pa ako sa bahay. Yun pala, meron silang co-curricular today kasi meron silang excursion. Akala ko after excursion, like, diretso uwi na sila. So I still have 1 more hour bago ko siya pick upin. And upload ko na yung vlog. It is here. It's uploaded. Upload ko na.
Gulat.
Yung tinola mo, mantika.
Yaman, hindi naman nila alam. Mukhang masarap nga. Pero mukhang masarap.
Tawan-tawa siya kasi yung tinola niya mamantiga daw.
Ano sabi sa'yo, gusto ko yung
Maganda yung pagka-upload ng video. Maganda yung quality. Kasi nga, nasabi ko, di ba, bagong camera to. So, hindi ko siya masyadong gamay. Everything went well. So, yes. Let's go pick up Kuya. Press G.
He's gonna tell us it's just nice there. Maybe you're gonna tell us just go there.
It's nice. Then, we're gonna go to Kidzania. But you've been to Kidzania before.
No, but I don't remember the things.
We're gonna ask Kuya. Yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna ask him how is Kidzania, yeah? We're just waiting for Kuya. Granny went inside to pick him up. Mommy didn't go inside because Mommy's wearing shorts.
Why? Why is not allowed with girls?
No, I mean, it's allowed but not in school. In school, you have to wear trousers, pants, not shorts. You know, kiss mama.
But I look. Look for mommy. Look.
Wait, baby mo. I'm just talking to Tita Kim. Kuya coming?
Yeah.
Hello, Kuya.
Boom chocolate.
Say hi. Hi.
Why you have that?
Show them your card. What you got from Kidzania.
Why
Oh,
you
a
have-
driving license. Show them your driving license, my love. This is Zadre's driving license. Can I have a kiss? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
It was fun?
Yeah. And
Yeah?
this is mine forever.
I know. How
Yeah.
much money did you get?
You can't give me this card, but now I have it because I'm old
What is
enough.
that?
Yeah.
It's your ATM?
What did you do to earn the money?
Yeah. They just give me it for free.
Really?
Yeah.
You didn't do anything? You didn't clean windows? No? Okay.
Yo, they gave me money.
I told you.
I'm at 28. Mama,
Kidzania?
and in Kidzania, there was no teacher. Just
Really?
went whenever I want. I have this card.
Yeah?
And I went wherever I want.
By yourself?
Yes.
Without anyone?
Yeah.
What about your friends?
Yeah. They're following me.
Okay, but what about in the bus? Do you have teachers or teacher?
Yeah, they have. I have teachers.
You have teachers. It says, okay. Did you eat McDonald's? They said you'll have
I
McDonald's,
finished
right?
all of it.
What did you eat?
Chicken nuggets.
Okay. Just chicken nuggets? Did you have like...
Chicken nuggets, french fries, and burger done.
Okay.
And apple juice.
Mm. Come on, Aiden.
10 more seconds and then that is gonna go out.
Mamadali. Where's Kuya? Went to the toilet. Mga listahan ng kailangang bilhin. So, punta muna kami ng supermarket to get all these things. Okay. Mamimili na kami.
Laki.
Clorox.
Alam mo, laki.
Ah,
Nililitin niyo sa toilet eh.
ayan na.
Ito na lang.
Yan na lang. Okay. This one is Yemen mango. Lasang-lasa siyang mango ng Pinas. Kapag walang mangga dito ng Pinas, ito yung kinukuha namin. Avocado. Let's get some avocado.
Ready to eat na.
Tingnan nyo yung avocado dito. Ang laki. Look at this avocado. Parang mas
Tigas
okay.
eh.
Kaya nga. Ito naman parang lamog na. Dito ka na lang sa Kenya.
Ganda ba yun?
Ito parang okay. Kaso parang maliliit.
Ay.
Let's get some strawberries. Mahilig yung mga kids ko sa strawberries. So, nag-i-stock ako ng strawberries. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's put that. This one looks nice too. Tinitingnan ko kasi minsan may mga lamog yung strawberries nila. Let's see. May ganda ng strawberries. Kukuha rin ako ng blackberries. Mahilig si Sandra sa mga berries. Basta berries, favorite niya. Ang ganda ba? Wait. Pili lang ako ng nice. Yeah, this one is nice. Let's get that too. Baka raspberry. Raspberries. Parang ang pangit ng raspberries nila. Parang hindi ako masaya dito. Okay, this one is not bad. Ano yan? Palaya?
Uy, ang gaganda. Ano yan?
Naghahanap si mama ng talong pang torta. Sabi ko ito. Malaki daw yan masyado. Gusto niya yung mahaba. Like this one.
Sobrang laki.
Yan.
Ano lang.
Yung mga haba. Uy, laglag pa.
Hindi kasi pantay-pantay.
I'm gonna get this ones. Dried cranberries. Cranberries.
Aking konti lang.
Okay, also this one, the mixed veggie.
Small bag. Put okra. And okra. You know okra? Oh, okay.
Gusto niya to? Ano kaya to? Saan mo natikman to?
Sa Pilipinas, saka dyan sa
Mixed veggies.
Ulit na. Sarap yan. What? Maalat.
Dried mixed vegetable chips.
Di yan sweet.
Now we're going to the Filipino section. Yeah, this is what we're looking for. Liquid seasoning. Ano pa?
Patis na binili mo. Di yung masarap.
Sibling shoe, sabi mong binili mo dati, masarap yun eh.
Hindi yun. Anong binili ko? Malabon.
Something caught my attention. What is this? Tanaka pistachio chocolate. Oh my goodness. Parang masarap to ah. Should I try it? And look, they also have this one. It's a cake, pistachio, choco pista. Parang masarap din to. Here's another one, pistachio cake. Look at that. Puro pistachio. Yeah. Ano to, itlog? Pinupulikat ako. Init sa labas. Ma-humid.
Mainit.
Have any sweet, Mama.
Okay, after dinner I'll give you.
Ay, wait. Okay.
I want milk.
Bye.
Is that yummy? You like Oreo? I love you. This one. Okay.
Lana. Greg? Wait. Let me leave. Over this side.
I wanted to make it cold. And then... See you tomorrow. Bye.